Hi guys, I am Osama from WPScholar.com. Today I will be showing you how to install WordPress locally on your computer system. Now why would you want to install WordPress on your computer? Normally you have to buy a domain and a hosting to launch your site. But if you just want to learn and try WordPress, then you can install WordPress locally, which means only you will be able to access your website. This is a great way to explore and learn more about WordPress. So to install WordPress locally, we are going to take 4 steps. Our first step is to download and install a local server like XAMPP. In order to download XAMPP, go to your browser and type download XAMPP. Now click on the very first link from apachefriends.org. Now click here to download the latest version of XAMPP. Once you have downloaded the file, now double click to open it. Now just follow the installation process. Here you need to select the software which you want to install with your XAMPP. Once XAMPP is installed, now let's move to our second step, which is to download WordPress file. In order to download WordPress file, go to your browser and type download WordPress. Now click on the very first link from wordpress.org, scroll down a bit and click here to download the latest version of WordPress. Once the file is downloaded, now extract this file. Just copy this folder and go to the location where you have installed XAMPP. Now open this folder. Now search for the htdocs folder and double click to open it. Here you need to create a new folder with any name you want. Now open this folder and paste that file here. Now open this folder and press Ctrl A to select all the files and then press Ctrl C to copy all these files. Go back to the previous folder and paste all those files here by pressing Ctrl V. Now you can delete this folder. Now let's move to our third step, which is to create a database. In order to create a database, open the XAMPP control panel and start the Apache and MySQL servers. Once the servers are running, now open your browser and type localhost/phpMyAdmin and press enter. Now click on the databases tab and enter your database name here and click create to create the database. Once the database is created, now let's move to our fourth and the final step, which is to install WordPress. So in order to install WordPress, open your browser and type localhost/ the folder name that you created inside htdocs folder and press enter. Here you need to select the language and click continue. Now click let's go. Enter your database name here that you created. Username is root and the password is empty. Click on the submit. Now click run the installation. Here you need to enter some details like site title, your admin username and password that you will need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you have filled up these details, now click install WordPress to install the WordPress. Once the WordPress is installed, now click login. Now here you need to enter the admin username and the password. So this is your WordPress dashboard. Now let's take a look at the front end of our site. In order to view the front end of your site, click here and then click visit site. So this is the front end of our site. You can completely customize it by using different themes and plugins. Now you know how to install WordPress locally on your computer system using XAMPP. Now, how will you access your WordPress dashboard? So to access your WordPress dashboard, go to your browser and type localhost / the folder name that you created inside htdocs folder /wp-admin and press enter, and you will be logged in to your WordPress dashboard. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and visit my blog. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.